Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to write logo on sticky header scroll, and when we scroll up, logo will appear again using custom code in Divi theme builder in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Divi theme. Now you see logo. When we scroll down, you see logo appear. So we are going to hide it. And when we scroll up, then logo will appear again. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see Divi, and then you see theme option, so click on it. Now Divi theme option open, and then you see multiple option, and then you see integration, so click on it, and then you see add code to the head of your blog. Now paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And we are going to add ID of logo. Now go to website page. Now you see logo, right click on it and then click on inspect. If you are using custom header, then you can add ID in your logo and you can use that ID in custom code. Now you see image and then you see ID logo. Now copy. So this is ID for our logo. Now copy back to code. Now you see document dot get element by ID. Now paste here logo. So you can add your logo ID here. So we added logo and then click on save changes. Now setting saved. Go to website page again and refresh the page. Now you see logo hide. When scroll up, you see logo. Again scroll up and scroll down. You see logo is hide on scrolling. And when we scroll up, then logo appear again. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.